What if I told you, right now, from hundreds of kilometers above Earth, something could be watching you? Not just your city, not just your street, but objects as small as your car. The question is, how much can satellites really see? And are they spying on you? Satellites are everywhere. Thousands of them orbit Earth every day, helping with GPS, weather forecasts, communication, and surveillance. But when people hear satellites, they often imagine something straight out of a spy movie, zooming into your phone screen or reading your messages from space. So let's separate facts from fiction. Spy satellites, also called reconnaissance satellites, are used by governments and military agencies to observe activity on Earth. Countries like the United States, China, and Russia operate highly advanced satellites capable of capturing extremely detailed images. These satellites orbit at high speeds and use powerful cameras, sensors, and sometimes even radar systems to monitor specific locations. But here's the truth. They're not randomly watching everyone. They're usually focused on strategic targets, like military bases, borders, or areas of interest. So, how much can they actually see? Modern satellites can capture images with a resolution of about 30 centimeters. That means they can clearly see cars, roads, buildings, large objects. But here's what they cannot do. They cannot see your face clearly. They cannot look inside your house through walls. They cannot read text messages on your phone. Even the most powerful satellites are limited by physics, atmosphere, and distance. So no, they're not zooming into your WhatsApp chats from space. Satellites don't just rely on regular cameras. They use different technologies. 1. Optical imaging. This is like a super high-quality camera, used during the day with clear weather. 2. Infrared sensors. These detect heat. For example, they can spot fires, missile launches, heat signatures at night. 3. Radar imaging, SAR. This is the scary one. Radar satellites can see through clouds, smoke, and even at night. They send signals to Earth and measure what bounces back. But still, this doesn't mean they can see inside your room. It's more about shapes and movement. Here's the honest answer, probably not. You, as an individual, are not important enough for satellite surveillance. These systems are incredibly expensive and are used for national security, disaster monitoring, environmental tracking. However, that doesn't mean you're completely invisible. Commercial satellites, owned by private companies, can take images of cities and even sell that data. So while you're not being personally tracked, your environment might still be captured in large-scale images. The real surveillance threat isn't satellites. It's the device in your hand. Your smartphone, apps, GPS, and social media collect far more personal data than any satellite ever could. Your location, your conversations, your habits. Satellites see the outside world, but your phone sees you. That's where privacy becomes a real issue. Yes, but not in the way movies make you think. They can see large objects, monitor activity, and track changes on Earth, but they're not watching your every move or reading your messages. Still, the idea that something in space can observe our world so closely is both fascinating and a little unsettling. The real question is, in a world full of technology, what does privacy even mean anymore? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more deep dives into AI and technology, because the future is now.